Hey foodies, let me show you how I made this curry coconut chickpea. This is my favorite vegan curry recipe, so stick around if you want to know how I made this, and go ahead and subscribe for more of my recipes. I'm gonna start off with about 2.5 cups of chickpea. These chickpea were cooked and they're soft. You can use the raw chickpea, you can cook it until it's softened, or you can use the tin. I'm gonna chop up half of an onion, half of a green bell pepper. I'm gonna chop up also 2 garlic cloves, and you want to chop this up very fine. I'm also going to chop 1 carrot. You're gonna dice these up really small. You don't want any big chunks in your curry. For me, I like them very small. It's better to eat. I'm then going to chop up just a little piece of ginger, 1 scotch bonnet pepper. You can eliminate the scotch bonnet if you're not a lover of spice. Then I'm going to warm some olive oil in my pan. I'm going to burn 1 teaspoon of curry or turmeric, the same result you get if you use either. And then all the vegetables that I chopped earlier, I'm going to add those in and saute for about 3 to 5 minutes. Once those are sauteed, I'm going to add 1 cup of coconut milk. You can use the tin coconut milk, or you can use the coconut powder mixed with water, but it's 1 cup. You're gonna stir that together and let it cook for about 10 minutes. Then you're gonna add your chickpea. After adding your chickpea, you're gonna stir that, and I'm going to season my chickpea. You want to ensure you season this because this is not chicken. It doesn't have any taste. It's very bland. So I'm gonna season it with 2 teaspoons of onion powder. I'm gonna also add 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of all-purpose seasoning, and then I'm gonna add 1 more teaspoon of turmeric powder just for the color, and 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna stir that together, and for it to cook properly, I'm going to add 2 cups of water and let that simmer on medium heat for about 20 minutes, and that should give you the perfect coconut curry chickpea. Like, guys, this was so good. I need you guys to try it. If you're not a lover of meat, if you're a vegan and you want, a nice curry recipe, you should definitely try this. Remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell, share it to a friend for more of my recipes. Bye.